Good morning and welcome to the beach. I am the man of water, and today we're going to look at water in a slightly more compressed form using my Aquabot canteen. Now the first thing we're going to do is fill up our Aquabot. Once we got our Aquabot canteen filled up, we are ready to test the product and its features. Now the Aquabot has three different functions: a spray, a mist, and a jet function. We're gonna need to pump the Aquabot. I'm gonna say 10 to 12 times, we'll see. All right, so we got 12 pumps here. I'm gonna try the first feature with the cap completely tightened. Let's see what we got. Oh, that's the mist. Get the mist. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try the second feature, which is actually loosening the cap. And that should be the jet. All right, last but not least, let's try the third feature, which should be the stream. Let's see what happens. All right, so it's still kind of a jet, kind of a stream, a little bit more focus. Might need a couple more pumps too. Pretty heavy duty shower. All right, well, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to Aquabot for hooking this up. If you guys are looking for something in the, like this more of a water bottle, this probably isn't for you. This is more of a tool to keep sand off of stuff, to keep cool in the summer. So if that's what you guys are looking for, feel free. I believe you can get these for around 32 bucks. I'm gonna leave the link below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Also, just as a reference, this video was all recorded with one bottle of water, still some left, just to give you guys a good idea of how much it holds.